In this video, I'd like to talk about how to move your Qi. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine and Qigong instructor. If you've heard about Qigong, you're brand new to it, or you already have experience, you'll know that Qigong means Qi means energy, Gong means work. So it could be basically energy work. You're trying to move your Qi throughout your body. According to traditional Chinese medicine and Qigong theory, we get sick, we become ill, we don't have our state of vitality when our Qi gets blocked. So if we can get our Qi to move smoothly and evenly, then we'll have our vitality and our health. But how do we do that? Well, there's an old saying in the Chinese classics that basically says, where the mind goes, the Qi flows. So where the mind goes, the Qi flows. So wherever your mind is placed, that's where your Qi, that's where your energy, and that's where your life force goes. So if you are thinking about your hand, your mind is placed in the palm of your hand. As long as you maintain your mind in that position, that's where your Qi and your energy goes. How do you know this? Well, you can feel warmth, you can feel tingling. Sometimes you can see some redness. Sometimes you can see your palm is a little patchy. Sometimes you'll feel tingling or a feeling of pressure. A very common exercise that people do in Tai Chi and Qigong classes is they move their hands back and forth to try to feel some sort of pressure in between the hands. So how do we use this for overall wellness? So there can be a lot of areas that we can try to send the Qi. Should I go to my foot, my head, my stomach, my back, my kidneys? Where should I send it? The first thing to do is put your mind in your lower belly and what's called the dantian. Dantian means lower heaven, and it's an area where all the Qi and energy circulates and is stored there throughout our life. If we have a strong dantian, the rest of the body has the hope to be healthy. If we don't have a strong dantian and we're eating properly, we're exercising, we're taking our supplements, we're getting our sleep, our dantian is still weak, we don't have the possibility to have full sense of vitality. So that's the first thing, is put your mind in your dantian. So how do we do that? When we're doing Qigong exercises, all we do is just place your mind here. Just notice what's going on. Notice what's going on in the belly. Notice, what does it feel like? Do I feel warmth? Do I feel heat? Do I feel pressure or tingling? This is a very, very simple, approachable, easy way to guide and control your Qi. So if you'd like to learn more about Qigong and practice some routines that will really help you feel vitality and good energy, come join us in the community. You can try us out for 7 days and see if you like it. I'm sure you'll find something that will appeal to you, and we'll have a warm, welcoming community that will help encourage your Qigong journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.